My initial reasons to come back was just to change my life.
The fact that everyone is friends with each other.
I'm really loving learning about myself at a deeper level.
You're going to come to an environment that's entirely supportive.
Also the tutors are brilliant. I can't believe they're even here. I believe they should be somewhere else, you know, in some higher somewhere, you know what I mean? They're that good, you know what I mean? So that's what I really enjoy about the course.
The support we're actually getting is almost one-to-one sometimes. So in terms of what you're paying for in a university, you're actually getting 5 times your money here.
It often feels like our classes are almost one-to-one.
You'll have excellent support. The ratios of access to the studio, you won't get this at any other place.
They are always there without fail, really.
The teaching is fantastic. The tutors have such great experience. I feel really confident actually in the course itself.
You're going to get the best tutoring, you're going to get to use the best, the equipment you can think of, and you're going to get invested in, and people will back you all the way.
So I feel I'm getting just really great value for money actually.